Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can solve the problem of your Google Search Console verification. So actually I was doing the same thing, but I stuck with the hosting provider. Why? Because I have purchased the domain from GoDaddy, but the hosting from another service provider. So the problem here is, like, whenever I am getting this Google Search Console verification code, so I need to put that code onto my server. So you know that if you have purchased the hosting from the GoDaddy itself, then you will be getting the option over here. You can see that here on the DNS management you will be getting some records. So currently we have the message like, we cannot display your DNS information because your name servers are not managed by us. So that means your hosting is not purchased by the GoDaddy, so you can no more able to add any specific record or any specific code over here. For example, we have needed right now the Google Search Console information to add. So how we will be doing that is, we need to log into our cPanel of our hosting, and then after we have to add the same thing over there. So let's start with this video step by step. Let me show you where actually I found this one. So for example, I have to log in the GoDaddy. So I already logged in. So let me log in again. Yeah, I already logged in. Visit my account. So here is my account. I need to go to my products. So here you can see that I have my domain. So once you will be clicking on my products, then you will be getting all the details of your domain. So now I need to click on DNS. So here you can see all the details would be available, but we cannot able to add any specific record on over here. Yes, you can see that DNS management. So here we should have the option if we have purchased our hosting from the GoDaddy, but currently our name servers are different, so I need to log in there and we can add those records over there. So here I have the name servers, and you can see that we are no more able to verify our Google Search Console from the GoDaddy. So what we will be doing here is, I have the cPanel of my hosting. So you can see that almost all the service providers, hosting providers, are showing the same type of cPanel. So here you need to scroll it down and go to the Zune editor. So here I have Zune editor. If you could not able to find, then you should click Ctrl and F, then you should search Zune and you will find Zune editor over here, right? So you need to click over it. So once you will click on the Zune editor, you will be getting this screen, and here you will be getting the domain name to which you wanted to register with the Google Search Console. So here you need to click on the manage, and you will be getting all the information of your server. So what we gonna do here is, we have the Google Search Console here. So you can see that I have verified one, and I need to verify another thing, so which is this one. So let me show you how this would be over here. You need to click on add property, and here you need to mention the domain name. So once you will be clicking on the continue, then you will be getting this screen, and you already know that we have the godaddy.com. so one way was like, we need to click on start verification, and if we have already logged into our GoDaddy domain, then it would automatically connect to that domain, and we will be getting a small button here. Yeah, this one. So we need to click on connect, and this will try to identify that one. Yeah, you can see that we are getting ownership verification failed error. So how we can fix this issue is, like we will be just copying this specific code from here, and then after we need to paste it over here. You should edit, click on edit, and here you will be getting the specific code, and you need to paste it over here, right? So once you are going to paste it, and make sure that this is the type text, and you can also see that the digitals.nl 14400, this is actually the TTL, time to leave. So then you need to paste it over here and then save the record. So yeah, this is finally saved. So now after some time, once you will be trying to verify this one, then you will be getting the message that this is already verified. But for now, for a moment, if you will see right now, yeah, great. Sometimes it takes some time, but now it get verified, ownership verified, so this communication was fast. But in some cases you may be getting the same error. So of course, if you are getting the same error, then after means waiting for some time, you will get the ownership verified verified message. So finally we end up with the verification of our Google Search Console. So we added our website successfully on the Google Search Console. So what's the benefit of this one is, like when you are using Google here, when you are just searching your website on the Google, then that would be shown over here. For example, if I am just adding the domain thedigitals.nl, and if I am clicking on search, then you know that right now this is not mentioned over here. So for example, I have one more website which is already mrdigitals.com. so I have already registered this domain to Google Search Console, and you can see that that website is over here. So this is my website that has been registered with the Google Search Console, so because of which Google can able to search my website and display on the search results, right? So in the same way, after some time, I have actually verified all the things. So now what we're gonna do here is, like we need to wait, and then Google will automatically show in the search results on the Google. So the next thing I did was, like, to do the verification of, actually here we have two types of verification. So one is on the left side and another is on the right side. So in the right side, if we are adding any specific domain, then we actually get a let me show you. For example, I am adding here the digitals.nl. so if I am yeah, we need to add the complete URL, https, then // and need to continue. So once you are clicking on, yeah, this is already verified actually. So if that would not be verified, then once you will be clicking, you will be getting an option of download a specific file. So you need to download that file, and then you need to go to your hosting and upload that specific file to your So here we have the cPanel of our hosting. So once you are clicking on file manager, so once you are logged into your cPanel, and you can see that I have the file manager here. So once you are clicking on public HTML, so inside of it I will have the project, and here I have uploaded my Google Search Console file, which I already told you that you will be able to get able to download from here. So once you will be downloading that one, then you need to upload to your root folder of your website. So because of which that thing would be verified easily. All right, so it may be that it takes some time, but you have to wait for a while. So Google will automatically verify, and then you will be getting the same messages which I am getting right now. So I think this video was fruitful for you, and we have solved the issue of our GoDaddy domains problem, that we could not able to add the Google Search Console information over there. So we found a solution that we can add those things onto our hosting cPanel. So we finally end up with the solution. So thank you so much. If you are thinking that this video has really solved your problem, then please subscribe this channel and also like this video, because in the future videos you will be getting more useful useful things that I will be exploring with you. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.